Ma, what does a horsey say? What does a piggy say? What's a ducky say? Molly. Molly, look at Mama. Ducky. Where's Elmo? Can you say Elmo? Oh, you found Elmo? Ma, where's Daddy? Say Daddy. Hey, bud. Hey, Liam, can I see you dance? Can you smile? Can you show me your nose? No. Nose. That's your ears. Which is an... Boo! Ma, what's an owl say? What does snake say? What does a sheep say? Bah. What does a cow say? Do you know what a cow says, Liam? Does it say moo? Moo. Say bye-bye. Bye. Molly, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.